Namaskar and welcome everyone. Today's class is based on MS Paint window, and this is our MS Paint window. So first day we are going to discuss about the clipboard group under the Home tab as it is pointed on the screen. So our clipboard actually divided into three parts: cut, copy and paste. So first we are going to define the clipboard. So clipboard is a temporary memory location where all copied and moved data stored temporarily or for a while. And now paste. What is paste? Paste is an action which is used to take the copied or cut objects in their new destination. Now we are coming to cut. Cut means to shift or move the selected data permanently from old destination to its new destination. So now the steps behind the cut. So step 1, select the object by using rectangular selection or freeform selection from image group in Home tab. Then step 2 is that select the cut option from the clipboard group in the Home tab. Now cut using the rectangular selection. So there are the steps. First we are going to select in rectangular selection, and then we are going to click on cut, then paste. When you are going to paste it, then you can see the object again on the screen. Now cut using freeform selection. Again we are going to the select option in the image group. After that choose the freeform selection, and now here you can draw a shape as your choice, and according to the shape the image will be cutted. Then paste it and you can see that the result on the screen. Now copy. Copy means to create duplicate of selected files or the selected portion. So here are the steps to copy an object. First, select the object by using rectangular selection or freeform selection from the image group in the Home tab. After that, go to the step 2. You can select the copy option from the clipboard group in the Home tab. After that, step 3, you can choose a place for paste your drawing or the copied portion. Now here are some ways how you can going to copy using rectangular selection. So for copying, first select the image by using the rectangular selection. After that click on copy option in the clipboard group, then you are going to paste it. When you are going to paste it, then it is look like the same, that means the duplicate option. And now we can select also the transparent selection. By using the transparent selection, the image will be transparent. And now here you can also create some duplicates. Now there is an option that is called copy using freeform selection, and as it is displayed previous, that means first select the select option, then click on freeform selection, and after that you can draw a shape as your choice. And after that, if you are going to click on copy, then the selected portion will be copied, and after that you can paste it. When you are going to paste it, the selected portion only being pasted. Now here are some shortcut keys. Shortcut key for copy is Ctrl+C. Shortcut key for cut is Ctrl+X, and shortcut key for paste is Ctrl+V.